My name is Sutton. I go to Bastrop High School. I'm right in the middle. 2 older sisters, 2 younger brothers. My oldest sister, she's 28, and my youngest brother is 4. When I was little, my dad was a Boilermaker, and so I went to his work one time when I was little, and he made me a flower and made me pretty happy. And I've always liked making things. This is kind of something that I have experience doing, but not at the same time. It's just creating things that I like doing. Yeah, I've always been kind of an adrenaline junkie. So anything that's dangerous, but not completely you're gonna get hurt no matter what you do. Well, I like oxy-fuel, cutting, more than I like actually, you know. But because I can just cut out whatever shape I want, and that's kind of fun. Whenever my dad goes off somewhere to do a job, I want to be able to have this certification so I can go with him, because I love my dad. And I want to be able to make him proud and maybe even outdo him. This ain't just for boys. Anybody can do it. You just got to be able to, put in the work.